here now. Obviously, you can see I have the Honda here all packed up with the back seats out, so I can pack a lot of gear. We're about to run the drone and get some nice shots off the track over there for the opening shots here for Klutch Kickers, and that's Austin right over there. Today we have the Z-Cam E2 original, and we have the Fujinon 50-135 here, so I'm definitely going to get some nice slow motion shots and maintain my nice parfocal focus with this lens. I love it, gotta love it. So let's pop some SD cards in there. We're gonna fly the drone and let's get the day started.
This wouldn't be possible without you. So hey, from all of us at Klutch Kickers, thank y'all.
This is gonna be the first spot I'm gonna pick to film these cars. Based on the layout, I'll be able to get a nice shot of them coming around the first initiation point over there, and then come across the nice touch and go, and then this final big section I'll be able to get some nice shots all the way around here. So that'll be a nice long shot to get with this nice parfocal Fuji. This is the first spot for today. where I'm gonna try to get the God shot. I'll show you what I mean.
New shit going on. Moan, I ain't never gonna stop. Bitch, moan, I ain't never gonna stop. Hey, came in the game getting money. Flip chicks, whip, get money. Niggas get the plan with the money. Click bang for the money. Shit change over money. They love to see a nigga on the bottom. Catch a coming, gotta keep it on the low. A nigga plug, bless a nigga with a hoe. Wanna break the bitch down in the 36 hoes. Look at here, bitch, I'm A-OK. Shawty won't fuck with me. She stripping, get it jigging, and lady, she gon' hit my line. We ain't gon' waste no time. She sucking and we fucking like she need me. But she make a bankroll easy. All the light in the room from the TV. We getting it on, then I'm gone. It's the type of shit that a nigga be on.
Thank you for watching my behind the scenes vlog type of video. If you like this type of content, please leave a comment and let me know the best part or your favorite part of the video. And then, if you'd like to see more content, please subscribe and check out my previous videos.